Right now, si Rafael ay nasa waiting area.
Let's go win the fast money. Wow! Good luck, kids, if you can beat that fast money for 200,000 pesos! Wow!
Pwede ka mag-pass.
Ruff, ruff. Go, little girl. You're on it.
Alright? Magsisimula lang naman yung timer after I ask the first question. Good luck, Tasha.
Thank you po.
Give me 20 seconds on the clock, please.
Ew. Let's go.
Anong animal ang matakaw sa gulay o damo? Go.
Cow.
The tiger.
Ano ang ginagawa mo kapag walang pasok?
Natutulog.
Nag-aral.
Name something na maasim.
Lemon.
Sinigang.
Ano ang kaya mong i-draw?
Bahay.
Circles.
Kung aalis ka sa Pilipinas, saan bansa ka pupunta?
China. Yay!
Let's go, Tasha.
I think we're gonna get that.
Anong animal ang matakaw
Ruff,
sa
ruff.
gulay o
Good luck with your answers.
Ay,
Ruff, ruff.
cow. Sabi ng survey natin sa cow ay...
Nope. I know pigs are more matakaw.
Kapag walang pasok, siyempre, extra sleep tayo, matutulog tayo.
Ay, nako, matutulog na lang tayo, guys. Sorry.
Name something na maasim. Lemon.
Lemon is maasim.
Survey says, yes.
Nice.
Anong kaya mong i-draw? Sabi niya, bahay. Survey says, yes.
Top answer yan.
Aalis ka sa Pilipinas,
Ew.
pupunta USA, ang sabi niya, ang sabi ng survey natin.
Oh, the US is so cold.
Yo!
Nice. 102.
Tasha.
Ew. Halfway to go. Halfway to go. Let's go, Alonso.
Hello. How are you feeling?
You did great, little
You
girl.
got this. You look so confident. I know.
Yay! Let's see how confident I will to win.
Okay.
Up, 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 up.
Tasha,
Let's see if
you
they
got
can win the
100
200K.
points.
Leave a like if you want to see it.
You
Let's
only
go.
have 98 points to get the additional 100,000 pesos. Okay? Now, at this point, makikita na po ng mga viewers ang sagot ni Tasha. So give me 25 seconds on the clock, please.
I'm ready.
Here we go, Rafael. Good luck. What animal loves to eat grass or plants? Go.
The horse.
Kangaroo.
Huh?
What do you do at home if there's no school?
Play
The,
games.
yay!
Something
Video games like me.
sour.
Sour candy.
Sour candy.
Something
Wait.
that you can draw.
A bird.
You can
Yeah,
go on a
birds.
trip. What country would you like to visit?
Korea.
Korea, just like we're running in Philippines. You saw my big brother there. He's gonna be in the running in Philippines, Korea. Yay!
So the first question is,
Okay,
what
let's
animal
see
loves
about
to
the
eat grass
answers.
and plants? Ang sabi mo ay kangaroo. Survey says,
Ew.
top answer dito ay kambing or goat. Yan ang
Goat.
top answer. Goat. What do you do at home if there's no school? Sabi mo, maglaro, play games.
Yeah! I'm a video gamer.
Survey. That's the top answer.
Yay! Later, let's play Mario Kart Wii at the racing convention.
Name something
Yay!
sour. Sabi mo, sour candy.
Sour candy.
Ang sabi ng survey
I guess
sa
that's
sour
also
candy
okay.
ay- Top answer dito ay mango. Mangga. Okay.
Well, it depends upon the
Name
season.
something you can draw. Sabi mo, ay bird. Ang sabi ng survey, yes.
Not that
points.
quite high.
Ang top answer ay bahay. Nasagot ni Tasha. And finally, if you can go on a trip, what country would you like to visit? You said
South Korea. I wanna go to Korea.
161.
Sorry.
Top answer is USA. It's okay, Rafael. You still won 100,000 pesos. All right?
That's all right.
Congratulations. The Genius Squad. Palakpakan
Wahahaha.
natin. Wow.
Fair and square. Even though they didn't win 200, what is important, they still had fun at the Family Feud. Wahahaha.
Yes. Wow.
Ruff, ruff.
Maraming
Ruff,
salamat
ruff.
po sa inyo.
It's okay.
Of course, to the
There's always a
parents,
next
very
time.
supportive parents. Please come with us here on stage.
Wahahaha.
Grabe. Talaga, naniniwala ako. Sa likod ng bawat mahusay na bata, nandyan ang kanilang mga magulang na
Aww.
nagmamahal at nagtuturo sa kanila. Kaya sa ating mga magulang, maraming salamat po sa inyo. What an experience.
At least it's a great bonding with the fam.
Anyway, Pilipinas, maraming salamat po. Ako si Dingdong Dantes, araw-araw na maghahatid ng saya at papremyo. Kaya makihula at manalo dito sa
Family Feud! Wahahaha! Family Feud! Meet you in the next game! Wahahaha! Goodbye!